Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now that Halloween's over, it's time to focus on some Christmas crafts for you guys, and I want to show you how to make these super simple and adorable yarn gnomes. You've probably seen these on Pinterest and want to make some for yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do these for you. I'm also going to show you how to make these pom-poms right here. You can get a form from any craft store on Amazon, but I'm going to show you how to make your own, and that's my pom-pom form right there, and I'll show you how I made these. You can choose whatever colors you want. I went with a tan and a gray because that's what I had laying around the house. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to show you how to make this little form right here for your pom-poms, which are these guys. What you're going to need is some cardboard. You're going to need something round. I'm using a mason jar lid to get this size pom-pom right here. So what you're going to do is put your lid down and make your circle. Okay, and then you're going to need the center. So what I did for that, I got a smaller circle, which I'm using this electrical tape. I'm going to go ahead and center it right here. Go ahead and make my mark. Do this twice. Cut it out, and don't forget to leave a gap. Cut this gap out right here. So it'll be easy for you to wind your yarn around your form. And that's how you do that. So let's go ahead and get started.